Hello, respectable audience. I have a new pattern of question. 5 minus 12, full square divided by 5 minus 2, the square times 4 minus 2 is squared. 5 minus 2, it will become 3 square divided by 5 minus 2, it is 3 square times 4 minus 2 will be equal to 2 square. Okay? Now, 3 square will be equal to 9. 2 All.I, 3 square will be equal to 9 times hwre will be equal to 4. Now, don't calculate fast multiplication because according to Math rule, first of all, deviance should be solved. So we have to solve 9 divided by 9. So 9 divided by 9 will be equal to 1 and times 4. So 1 times 4 will be equal to 4, and 4 will be our direct answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.